Hello respected judges, my name is Komal Patil and I am a second year MMS student. Now imagine this, a quiet evening, woman is enjoying the fresh air. Suddenly a commotion breaks out, a crime has occurred, but the criminal is now nowhere to be found. What if I told you that a tiny trace left behind could change everything? Today I want to share with you a fascinating story of touch DNA and how it's revolutionizing the forensics. So when it comes to solving a crimes, every little detail matters. So traditional DNA testing usually requires larger samples like a blood or hair. But what if there is a way to gather evidence even from the lightest of touches? And this is where touch DNA comes into a play. So let's take a step back and imagine a scenario. A suspect enters a room, they touches the doorknobs, glass or railing. To the naked eyes, it is like a nothing. But to the forensic scientist, this is a treasure trove of evidence. When someone touches an object, they leave behind a skin cells and which contains our DNA. Even a few cells can tell a story that one connects a suspect to crime scenes, and it's like a whisper left behind waiting to be heard. Now you might wonder, how does it work? Well, scientists have developed advanced techniques to collect and analyze these microscopic traces. They use a swab to gently collect the skin cells from the surfaces. Then in the lab, extract and analyze the DNA. Imagine the excitement when the forensics expert realizes they have enough DNA to make a match. They compare it to the database, perhaps revealing the identity of a suspect. In many cases, touch DNA has been key to solving a cold cases, those crimes that seems impossible to crack. So let's think about the real life example. In 2016, a case in the UK involved a young woman who had been attacked. Despite the lack of clear evidences, the investigators collected the touch DNA from the scenes. Through these evidences, they were able to link the crime to the suspect who had brushed against the victim's belongings. It was a breakthrough that led to justice for the victim. This technology doesn't just help solve crimes, it helps to prevent the wrongful conviction too. With the precise DNA evidences, innocent people can be cleared from the suspicion. Of course, like any story, there are challenges. Touch DNA isn't foolproof. Contamination can occur, and the amount of DNA collected can be very small. It requires a careful handling and expertise. But with ongoing research and advancement, the future looks bright. Imagine a world where every small traces can be helped to solve a crimes, bring a justice, keep communities safe. This is a promise of touch DNA. So touch DNA is not just a scientific marvel, it is a powerful tool in a quest for justice. It transforms the way we think about the evidences and what it means to solve a crime. So the next time when you heard about the crime, remember, it is just not a loud action that matters, but also the quiet traces left behind, just like our life. Sometimes the smallest things can have a biggest impact. Thank you for listening.